She opened her phone. One review, then another. All one-star reviews. No names, no receipts, just damage. And just like that, trust shattered. Meet Fatima. Tar. She's the owner of a small bakery in Qatar. She poured her heart into the business, but a few fake reviews brought her Google rating down from 4.7 to 3.9 overnight. Customers stopped calling. Bookings slowed. She had no clue where the reviews came from. Some are planted by competitors. Others are bought by desperate businesses or shady marketers. Ask your loyal customers to share their real stories. Upload photos and videos. That's your truth. Let it shine. Report fake reviews with proof. And yes, platforms like Google are trying to fight it, but the system isn't perfect. Well, here are some tips. For small business owners, this isn't just about stars, it's about survival. So what can you do? Stay active on your Google profile. Reply to every suspicious review, even the fake ones. Watch as your ratings climb back up and the fake reviews fade away. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.